The lecture series urban concepts and challenges for sustainable planning strategies. Spatial planning of the city using BIM and advanced intelligence. Use part lecture 6, space imagery for sustainable urban development and territory planning. Best thanks for the opportunity to give a lecture. Elena Boyko, National Aviation University, Kyiv, Ukraine. My name is Alexander Melnik. I'm specialist in GIS, CAD, and BIM system. I work in the past National Technical University of Ukraine. It's the largest university in Ukraine, where I worked as scientist in the field of automation, robotics, and marine research. For many years, he collaborated with National Union of Architects of Ukraine, for which he was involved in implementation of the GIS and helping specialists use CAD system. For many years, I teacher at the University of Advanced Technologies in the field of the GIS, cartography, and modern technologies. Virgin University gave a lecture on geoinformatics science by order of Tank Education Company. This course materials can be obtained for use. I have been training as a specialist of Autodesk company for over 20 years in the areas CAD, GIS, infrastructure, mechanical engineer, architecture, and others. I have an introduction in the field of aviation industry, steel mills, and others. Implementation of CAD for about 30 years, implementation for GIS for about 20 years, and implementation for BIM for about 15 years. With the advent of S3 company in Ukraine, collaborated in Ukraine in area of territory planning, ecology, and military industry. I am president of not government organization named as GIS Association of Ukraine. It's a national community created to promote geospatial market. The association support collaboration of communities, professionals, and companies in digital mapping, topography, navigation, and remote sensing. We enhance land owner rights, legalization, defend legal rights of our members, and ensure information support for the members and partners. Sorry. The main activity of the GIS is public and corporate events, conference, and project. Subject this election topics: BIM, CAD, GIS, advanced intelligence, digital twins, smart city, technology, community, and project. Our project in this field. Technology is application for conceptual knowledge to achieve practical goals. Technology advances have brought about significant changes in society. The earliest known technology is stone tool used in prehistoric times. And then the control of fire, which contributed to the growth of the human brain in development or language during the Ice Age. The invention of the wheel in the Bronze Age allowed for greater travel possibility and creation more complex machines. The topics demonstrate the announced in presentation themes and connectivity with every themes in our lecture. If we see BIM, urban BIM, infrastructure BIM, heritage BIM, CAD, site planning, survey, map data analysis. Geographic Information System, GIS, consists of integrated computer hardware and software that stores, manage, analyze, edits, display, and visualized geographic data. Geographic information systems are used in many technologies, process techniques and techniques. They apply to various operations and numerous applications that relate to engineering, planning, management, transport, logistics, insurance, telecommunication, and business. Recently, GIS has changed a lot thanks to the introduction of artificial intelligence, machine learning, digital twin technologies, and big data, and others. Industries in which GIS finds your implementation, shown on this picture. It's economics and business geography, infrastructure, survey and mapping, landslides, watersheds, rivers, lakes, geomarketing, aerial photography and satellite photography, topography, land subsistence, karst area, sinkholes, geospatial data for urban planning, tectonics and geodynamics, environmental service, airports and aviation mapping, etc. About BIM. BIM, name it Building Information Model, is an object-oriented model of a construction project or a complex of construction project. Usually in three-dimensional form, the elements of which are associated with data on the geometric, physical, and functional characteristic of the construction project. The purpose of creating such a model is to make decision in construction project, both at the stage of creating such a model and subsequent stage of the object's life cycle. Building information modeling is a process of creating and changing information about construction project. One of the key outputs of the process is construction information model, or a digital description of the features of the construction objects. The model is used to collaboration and updated as at key stage of the project. Creating a digital model of construction projects allows those to interact with it to optimize your action, ultimately increasing the value of the project. Companies presenting BIM technology, biggest company, it's Autodesk, Hexagon, Bentley System, and Graphisoft. Graphisoft is a company part of the Nemetschek concern. BIM include conceptual design, programming, detailed design, analysis, information modeling, building, manufacturing, documentation, repair, construction, 4D, 5D, demolition, operation and service, construction, logistic. Explanation: 4D is 3D plus time. 5D it's plus cost, price. What is CAD? CAD or computer aided design and drafting, before CADD, is technology designed for creators to design, draft, and produce technical documentation, replacing manual hand-drawn and drafting technologies with digital-first process. Whether you are architect, design, and engineer, you are probably used for 2D or 3D CAD programs. What is CAD in the context to urban planning? CAD that enables urban planners to create, modify, and analyze digital model of urban environments, including building, infrastructure, and landscapes. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence based on the machine learning. Machine learning used complex data to train computers, recognition programs, pattern based on the algorithms. Neural networks, computer system designed to simulate neurons in brain. Natural language processing, ability to understand speech and understand and analyze documents. Robotics, this machine can help people without actual human intervention. Artificial intelligence is an intelligence of machines or software, as opposed to the intelligence of human and animals. It is also a field of computer science that develops the studies intelligence machine. AE can also refer to machine themselves. Artificial intelligence technology is widely used in industry, government, and science. Some notable applications are advanced internet search engines, for example, Google search, recommendation engines, YouTube, Amazon, and Netflix. Human speech understanding, for example, Siri and Alexa. Self-driving car, generate of create job, ChatGPT and artificial intelligence, and complete of the highest level in strategy games. Various subfields of AE research center around a specific goal and use specific tools. Traditional AE research goals include reasons, knowledge, representation, planning, learning, natural language processing, and robotic support. As sample, one software solution from company of concern Autodesk. Your name, modern name Forma, Autodesk Forma, before site planning. The software helps planning and design team delivery projects digitally from day one. This solution based on artificial intelligence use conceptual design capabilities, predictive and analytics, and automation to make solid foundation for your project. Autodesk Forma propose unlock efficient with initiative project setup, intuitive project setup, design automations, and fluid connectivity with software named Revit. Use data driven insight in real time to make fast, smart design decision that reduce risk and improve business and sustainability outcomes. Improve collaboration and security by using data and visuals to tell a compelling design story that can help you win more bids. This movie demonstrates some possibilities of software.
Transfer Forma geometry into Revit with the Send to Revit feature, converting your proposal buildings, site limits, terrain, and buildable areas into editable Revit elements. Iterate your design in Revit and update your Forma proposal with the changes. To get the latest version of the add-in, access the trade-off menu, hit your proposal thumbnail, and select Download Revit add-in. Select the proposal you want to transfer and choose Send to Revit. In Revit, find the Forma add-in under the Mapping and Site tab. Use the Load options to filter out which elements will be brought into Revit and how these elements will be represented. Use the Load Proposal tool to preview and transfer your proposal element.
I'm stop this video, demonstrate this video. Company Autodesk propose on YouTube channel too many videos for beginners and professionals in architecture and infrastructure. About digital twin. Digital twin is a digital model of the intended or actual real-world physical products, systems, or process. That service serves as the effectively indisputable digital counterpart of the practical purpose, such as simulation, integration, testing, monitoring, and maintenance. The digital twins has been intended from its initial introduction to the underlying premise for product lifecycle management and exist throughout the entire lifecycle of physical entity it represents. Since information in granular, the digital twin represented is determined by the value-based use case it's created to implement. Ideology digital transformation is the process of adapting the implementation of digital technology by an organization in order to create new or modify existing products, services, and operation by use means for translating business process into digital format. The goals of its implementation is to create value through invention, improved customer experience and efficiency. Focusing of efficiency and cost, the Charter Institute of Procurement and Supply defines digitalization as the practice of defining models, functions, operation, process, and activities by leveraging technological advancement to build of efficient digital business environment. The one where gains are maximized and cost and risk are minimized. Philosophy smart city or ideology. A smart city is a technology modern urban area that use different types electronics method and sensors to collect specific data. Information gained from that data is used to manage assets, resource and service efficiently. In return, that data is used to improve operation across the city. This includes data collection from cities, devices, buildings, and assets that is processed and analyzed to monitor and manage traffic and transportation system, power plants, utilities, urban forestry, water supply network, waste, criminal investigation information system, schools, libraries, hospitals, and other community services. Smart cities are defined as small both in the way in which their governments harness technology as well as in how they monitor, analyze, plan, and govern the city. In smart cities, the sharing of data is not limited to the city itself, but also includes business, citizens, and other third parties that the benefits from various uses of the data. Sharing data from different systems and sectors create opportunities for increased understanding and economic benefits. About community, our support some community in direction BIM CAD GIS. City Solution Club, founded in 16 years. Direction this club develop of optimal solution for city management using GIS and spatial information on the platform the public association City Solution Club. As a platform founded in 1996 years, created on grant platform used by German government. It's Ukrainian company for development and development of territories and economic growth. On the picture we see direction this company. It's emergency, natural resources, development, energy, trade, and other, sports, science, and other. A student community. This picture show student community, National Taras Shevchenko University, name it as GNU-GEO. Forms activities this community, thematics discussion with expert, meeting of the association, support of partners initiatives, volunteering, participation in forums, conference, popularization of geoscience, organization social events, trips, and geological monuments. One from member of this community, Polina Berezina, on picture in left, now specialist in USA and direction GIS, biggest specialist.